our channel. I am Mohammed Kamal. On today's session, we are diving into some game-changing tools for building ServiceNow custom applications within ServiceNow platform. These tools really designed for developers of all skill levels, from beginner to advanced. If you are looking to streamline your workflows and supercharge efficiency, these tools are exactly what you need. I'm gonna go ahead and break down each one of them for you, so stay with me here. The first one, what you see here, is Creator Studio. So the Creator Studio, it's really meant for especially good for request-based applications. You can use for some other different applications, but request-based applications, you don't need any code, no code needed. You just use this Creator Studio to be able to build your own application. Imagine building like a request-based app without writing a single line of code. With Creator Studio, ServiceNow really offers a guided environment where you can create forms, assign automations, and also you can track different requests with S. All about empowering you to get things done faster without the learning curve of traditional coding. Okay, so if you haven't yet tried Creator Studio, I highly encourage you to try Creator Studio. You can create a custom app, especially request-based applications. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the second one here. So the second one is really also another good one where you can get a lot of benefits. Okay, you can power up your workflow applications using a low-code app quickly. All right, low-code app quickly. So this is the core of low-code app building in ServiceNow. Your central hub for developing applications at speed using either a blank canvas, or you can use a pre-made template as well. Whether it's a small tool or an enterprise scale applications, using this ServiceNow's platform allow you to create really a refined and safely deployed application that users will love, all on a single cohesive platform. Listen, gentlemen, so if you have yet tried the low-code app quickly, okay, the power up your workflow application, so I highly encourage you to go ahead and try that. Moving on, we have the Studio. Okay, the Studio IDE. ServiceNow has its own Studio IDE, which is really cool. Okay, that is really great because this is if you're enjoying really coding, okay, Studio IDE has you covered. With Studio, you can add custom codes to your low-code applications. You can debug and manage source control all in one place. It's really perfect for adding advanced functionality to your applications, okay, making them more dynamic and also tailoring them to your specific need. So if you're looking for that one to add any coding or any automation behind the scene, you can go ahead and use the Studio IDE, ServiceNow Studio IDE, all in one place. Ladies and gentlemen, we are moving on to the fourth one. This one is a Workflow Studio. ServiceNow created this dedicated Workflow Studio. If you have any repetitive task holding you back, in Workflow Studio can help you. Using the natural language, you can design flows that connect tasks, like different tasks, streamlining approvals, automate notifications, and much more. Okay, so Workflow Studio is a go-to place to go ahead and build your smart workflow that reduce your manual effort, so you can focus on what matters most. All right, now if we move to the UI builder, I was really happy when this UI builder came in ServiceNow. Really help you engaging user experience easier than ever with a UI builder. These tools let customize a UI by assembling components into a published layout. So whether it could be like a dashboard or a form, even a form, you don't need to use now form config or form layout. You can just all in one, you can use the UI builder, okay, for your form portals. UI builders let you craft your modern user-friendly interface that enhance every interaction that your end users will go ahead and use it in your application. So if you haven't yet switched using the UI builder currently, when you try to open a form, it's gonna ask you to switch to a UI builder, which is a new one, but highly encourage you to go ahead and use the UI builder, so that way you can really build all of those components easily. Okay, could be a dashboard or form in portals and so on. Okay, now ServiceNow is really great that you can also have your mobile applications, okay, mobile app, and for that ServiceNow created a dedicated mobile app builder. That's also awesome. This is the mobile app builder. With this tool you can create and adjust mobile components for use across your ServiceNow mobile apps. Now mobile, which is the ServiceNow, and also mobile agent and beyond, whether you are building from scratch or modifying an existing applications, you can use the mobile app builder to enable you to deliver solution that works on the go. Ladies and gentlemen, that brings us to the last component, or the last app that ServiceNow really have for you to go ahead and use it. That concludes today's session. I'll see you on the next one. I know many of you asked about the ServiceNow GRC CAM application. ServiceNow had listened to us. Many of the components are really increased, improved, and there are a lot of filters and also automations are added on it. So we'll go ahead and cover that one on the next session. Up until then, I want to say thank you for joining me here. If you haven't yet become the ServiceNow Star family, make sure to be the ServiceNow Star family by subscribing and also following us in our ServiceNowStar.com channel website. Thanks everyone. If you have any comments and suggestions, you can drop them on the comment, and we'll see you on the next one. Up until then, have a great day everybody.